Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how we can create a new project in Primavera P6. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is select the section where our project is going to go into. Now we have it selected. We're going to go to the right hand side and click Add. Here we have the pop-up window that appears. This is now asking us what EPS section we want our new project to go into. We can see from the box that we already selected training, but if we wanted to change that, we could do so selecting the small box with 3 dots. I'm going to click Next, and I am going to change the project name. I'm going to change the project ID to TRN-001 and the name to Pipework and Valve Replacement. I'm going to hit Next. Okay, so now it is asking us if we want to put any planned starts in our project. We can use the left-hand side box to change the planned start. I'm going to change mine to the 3rd of July. And we can use the right-hand side box to put a must finish by date for the project. But for this occasion, I'm not going to put a must finish by date. I'm going to hit Next. Okay, so it is now asking us for a responsible manager. This is someone who's going to be responsible for the project, such as a project manager. We can use the small grey box to select a manager that is going to be responsible for this project in our database. I'm going to hit Next, and I'm going to leave the assignment rate type to standard rate, and click Next. I'm going to hit Finish, and there we have it. On the left hand side, we can see our new project under training. Thank you very much for watching, and if you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you won't miss any helpful videos when they come out in the future.